Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go over the Unifi Protect G4 doorbell. I plan on installing this in a few weeks. Today's just an unboxing as we're moving out of this house and I don't need to put a doorbell on a house I'm leaving. So I use the Unifi Protect system quite extensively. I have the G3 Flex cameras in and around the house and will be putting them outside the house along with the G3 Bullet cameras will also be outside. Unifi Protect has been a great system, and so today we're going to add to this system with the highly anticipated and hard to get G4 doorbell. So we'll go ahead and remove the clear plastic wrap on the outside and dig into the box here. So off the bat here we see the doorbell, kind of like an Apple packaging. Looks quite good. It's a nice white, but we'll set it to the side and dig in. We have instructions here next, and kind of gives you an idea of how to install it on the house and how to attach it to your previous doorbell's ringer box. So there likely is more information through the Unifi QR code, and you may want to dig into that yourself as every doorbell is a little bit different. So continuing through the box, we have a mount to get there with a nice little level on it. I know I will have to be playing with that mount and possibly 3D printing a mount for the vinyl siding. We have a angle mount as well, so we can kind of angle it towards certain sides of the house. And then if we dig in, there's a little bit more here. There's the wiring to tie into our old doorbell system. So we'll put it all back and then we'll look at the camera here. So the camera is made out of a quality plastic. The button feels good. I don't know offhand what the camera specs are, but there's a little speaker grill at the bottom, and then between the button and the speaker grill, there's a little screen that you can write text on whatever you'd like it to say, whether you want to tell people to go away or welcome or anything like that. But as you can see, I have a G3 Flex here, and they're roughly about the same height. The doorbell is probably about half the depth of the G3 Flex, probably about twice the thickness of an iPhone. So it's a good small camera. It's going to be inconspicuous, especially if you consider how big the Ring doorbells are, or a few others on the market. So yeah, I've been happy with the size. It looks like a great piece of technology. It is, like I said, hard plastic. It's a good smooth finish on the outside. I don't think you have to worry about anything. I do know it's rated for outdoors. The G3 Flex is also made out of plastic and rated for outdoors as well. So it's a good quality doorbell, and I'm excited to use it and excited to install it and bring you guys along for that ride. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button and also subscribing to the channel to see more content like this, and click the bell icon for notifications on when I post more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.